The Tyneco Carpet One Cruiser Smart Carpet Cleaner is an advanced cleaning solution designed to provide deep and efficient carpet and upholstery cleaning. Equipped with self-cleaning technology and flash-dry capabilities, this machine not only removes deep-seated dirt and stains, but also ensures rapid drying with its 167 degrees Fahrenheit Power Dry feature. With 130 watts of powerful suction, it effectively lifts dirt, pet messes, and spills from carpets, rugs, and upholstery, making it a must-have for households with pets or children. Its smooth power technology allows for effortless maneuverability, while the lightweight design ensures easy handling. Whether tackling high-traffic areas, pet stains, or everyday spills, the Tyneco Carpet One Cruiser delivers professional-grade cleaning results. If you're considering purchasing this carpet cleaner, focus on its smart features and ease of use. The self-cleaning function reduces maintenance efforts, ensuring the device remains hygienic and ready for use. The flash dry system minimizes drying time, making it convenient for busy households that can't afford long drying periods. Additionally, its lightweight construction makes it an excellent choice for those who need a machine that is easy to carry and store. Before buying, check your carpet type and ensure compatibility with cleaning solutions for optimal performance. If you're looking for a high-powered, efficient, and user-friendly carpet cleaner, the Tyneco Carpet One Cruiser is a fantastic investment for keeping your home fresh and spotless. The Shark PX201 Stain Striker Portable carpet and upholstery cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle tough stains, spots, and odors on various surfaces. Whether you have pets, kids, or frequent spills, this compact yet efficient cleaner is perfect for keeping carpets, area rugs, couches, and upholstery looking fresh. It features a high-powered suction system combined with deep cleaning technology to remove embedded dirt and stains with ease. The three included attachments allow for customized cleaning, making it ideal for use on car interiors, furniture, and even pet beds. Its lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability, so you can clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. When choosing the Shark PX201 Stain Striker, consider its multi-surface cleaning capability, making it a great investment for households with pets or children. The spot and stain eliminator function quickly lifts spills before they set, preventing permanent damage to fabrics and carpets. Additionally, the built-in odor eliminator removes unpleasant smells, leaving your home smelling fresh. If you need a reliable and portable cleaning solution, this model is a great choice due to its user-friendly operation and powerful performance. Before purchasing, check the size of your cleaning area and ensure you have the proper cleaning solution for optimal results. The Shark PX201 is a smart buy for anyone looking for an effective and convenient way to maintain a spotless home. The Woori's portable carpet cleaner machine is a powerful and efficient cleaning tool designed to tackle deep stains, spots, and dirt on various surfaces. With an impressive 15 kilopascals suction power, this carpet shampooer effectively removes embedded grime from rugs, couches, car interiors, and upholstery, making it an excellent choice for pet owners and busy households. The large 54-ounce water tank allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills, ensuring convenience and efficiency. Additionally, the 16.4-foot power cord provides a wide range of motion, enabling you to clean large areas without constantly switching outlets. This deep cleaner comes with 3 specialized tools, allowing you to customize your cleaning approach for different surfaces and stains, ensuring thorough and professional-grade results. When considering this portable carpet cleaner, focus on its versatility and ease of use. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to store and maneuver, perfect for those who need a quick yet effective cleaning solution. The spot and stain deep cleaning technology ensures that spills and messes are lifted before they become permanent, helping to maintain the beauty and longevity of your carpets and furniture. Before purchasing, check your cleaning needs, whether for pet stains, car interiors, or household upholstery, to ensure this machine aligns with your requirements. If you're looking for an affordable, high-performance carpet cleaner that delivers deep cleaning results with minimal effort, the Woories portable carpet cleaner machine is an excellent choice. The Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a game-changer for deep cleaning carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Designed with hydro steam technology, it combines powerful steam action with deep cleaning to break down tough stains, dirt, and odors more effectively than traditional cleaners. Whether you're tackling pet messes, food spills, or everyday dirt, this compact yet powerful machine provides professional-grade results. Its portable design makes it easy to carry and store, while its strong suction ensures quick drying times. Ideal for home use and auto detailing, this cleaner is perfect for refreshing carpets, couches, stairs, and car seats without the hassle of a bulky machine. Paired with the Bissell Little Green Oxy Spot and Stain formula, this cleaner delivers even better stain removal by lifting deep-set dirt and neutralizing odors. If you're considering buying this Bissell portable carpet cleaner, focus on its versatility, ease of use, and powerful stain-fighting capabilities. The Hydro Steam feature ensures a deeper clean compared to regular spot cleaners, making it an excellent choice for pet owners or anyone dealing with frequent spills. Before purchasing, check your cleaning needs, whether for home carpets, upholstery, or auto detailing, to ensure it's the right fit. If you're looking for a high-performance, compact, and reliable cleaner, the Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam is a fantastic. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine, FH50150, is a powerful and efficient upright carpet shampooer designed to deep clean and refresh your carpets with ease. Featuring spin scrub brush technology, this machine provides a 360-degree deep cleaning action, gently yet effectively removing dirt, stains, and allergens from your carpets. Its dual V nozzle ensures even suction across the cleaning path for quick drying, while the heated air feature speeds up drying time so your carpets are ready to use sooner. The large-capacity dual water tanks separate clean and dirty water, making refilling and emptying effortless. This lightweight yet durable cleaner is ideal for tackling high-traffic areas, pet messes, and spills, delivering professional quality results from the comfort of your home. If you're considering purchasing the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe, focus on its ease of use, deep cleaning power, and efficient drying capabilities. The included 8-foot hose and upholstery tool allow for versatile cleaning, making it perfect not just for carpets but also for stairs, furniture, and even car interiors. With its automatic detergent mixing system, you don't have to worry about measuring. Just fill the tank, and the machine will mix the solution for optimal cleaning results. Before buying, consider the size of your carpeted areas and the frequency of cleaning. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance, and user-friendly carpet cleaner, the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is an excellent investment for keeping your home fresh and spotless. Humanize 244 words.